going on, world? Thank you for like, comment, and subscribing. As always, turn on notifications for all future videos. Click the link in the description. Give me a follow on Instagram. Please do not just hear me say this and don't follow me or don't subscribe. Please actually do it. It's much appreciated. I hope you guys just to get a lot of information and stay in tune. Do not just watch this video. But you guys see me here. I'm down at the pallet yard, dropping off a bunch of pallets. Here with my partner, the one and only Patricia, getting some shit done. This is like a, I don't know, like a 225, 230 clip that I put down. And then in the course, I show you guys how to also pivot and how to work with your local pallet yard. You know, a lot of the other courses, they lie to you guys and sell you a dream that the pallet yard is your enemy, and that's not the case. The pallet yard can be an extremely valuable asset. Some people in the course that are on pace to earn over $200,000 for the year, and they only work with their local pallet yard. They never went out and got private customers. You can get money a lot of ways in this business if you know what you're doing. And in the course, we show you guys what to do, how to have the right mindset, how to not be overly emotional, how not to overthink this thing, you know, how to get to the money. And the mindset is almost as important as work ethic, and that's almost as important as having strategy. You know, and they all kind of come together. So, as always, Domination Beats Conversation. You guys see me live in the field, getting money. Down my local pallet yard today, doing a drop. Stay tuned. And in this video, I'll show you guys how much income was earned. Take it from there. Peace and love.